So here's a look at the stock tires on the Jeep Wrangler Rubicon. They are 33 inches. Here's the tire size for those of you who want to know the exact tire size of a stock Rubicon. And the question here is, everybody on the internet says you can run 35s without having to adjust the suspension. So let's take a look at this Jeep and see if that's true. We've been out in the desert and we've been to the mountains, and looking at the 35s on this Jeep, you can see a bit of rubbing is racing right there coming off of the back side of the front fender. And then if we move over to the back fender and see if we can find any wear and tear and scrapage. Yep, there's some marks there, and you can see the front of the back fender and the back of the front fender are the offending areas. So yeah, you can fit them on there if you don't go crazy and try to jump things, but when we took it out to the sand dunes, this is what happened. It ripped the whole fender off, and then fortunately somebody in an ATV picked up the fender and the inner wheel well plastic dealie and chased us down and gave it back to us. And by the end of the weekend, both of the fenders had ripped off of this Jeep. So possible solution would be to put a bigger rubber baby buggy bumper down here on the bottom, a little taller one, but then you would lose wheel travel and the Jeep people would mock you. So there's the damage. That's the inner plastic fender thingy. Sorry for my terminology, but I'm not a Jeep guy. And it's held on there by these cheap-ass plastic clips, so it's a quick release pop-off when your tire rubs into it, and you can just buy more clips and you can clip it back on or put the smaller tires back on the Jeep.